Savannah. And before anything else, before exploring the area, we're going to church here in Basilica. Ate, asingan sa simbahan? Basilica of St. John the Baptist. Our Lady of Grace, mo good ari? Ano, Our Lady of Grace man? And this is the church with the newlywed. Oh, nice. Yun, makita ang bar. Yun, makita ang bar. Basic front. Nice. Smile. Nice. The willow tree with the fountain. Lafayette Square. Unsa may nasa Lafayette Square? Is named in grateful recognition of the aid given to colonists. Go bird. Nice.
Pakuha ba yung Lafayette Square?
Dali tayo tatlo.
Lafayette Square. This is the Lafayette Square Park.
The garden of
They have this crunchy dulce de leche truffle bombs, and it's a caramelized caramel cream commonly known as dulce de leche. Fill each of this dark chocolate with decadent liquid centers and caramelized crispy crunchy crepe flakes for $14.95. What's
This one
this?
is dinner white chocolate.
Simply?
Simply.
This one kinakagbasa og din. And this one is $6. Oh yeah? Georgia Tech? Why Georgia Tech? Manong sa was so special a bit.
I don't know. What's
The Georgia dili Georgia Tech. Oy, peach
Georgia
man.
peach man yan.
Kasi manang simple niya kay dinner kuno.
Cafe Americano ruffle.
A white chocolate buttercream
Look at this.
center.
Perfect
Oh,
caramel.
that's so cute.
Gooey
Ay, kaya
caramel
cute to,
center.
no?
Ako
Kahoy.
na, matcha.
Versailles ate. Topiary Raffle.
Lagi.
Garden of Pistachio.
Gitungan man og gitungan og matcha man.
Matcha na? O may giana day matcha.
Matcha Genoa.
And look how they arranged the books. Topsy-turvy. I gusto. And we'll try to eat a chocolate from Chocolatier here in Savannah. It's Savannah's
Chocolate.
premier artisan chocolate. Kasi dalawa na ito eh. Kung worth it ba ang $6? 36% milk chocolate. Okay, we'll try it.
$36?
$36. Yeah.
Ikaw pagkakakin ng Simba.
Gold bar mo gud.
I-scratch niyo mo ang $6.
Dala pagpicturean si Pawas Spring.
Ano man, tuloy man natin kayo akong i-vlog. Kung worth it ba?
Is it worth $6?
Yeah. Kung pihili mo sa Toblerone, which is $5. Ha? Lain mo dito. Nutian, terima kasih man. Idi kuan, Indonesian. Pag terima kasih. Terima kasih bito, Indonesian. Sige, tira ko na. Shipiwa Square, mo na siya.
Oh, gibisan ani mo.
Wala ka tong Forest Gump? Unsa lami? How is it? How is it, ate? How is it?
Gold.
I would just taste first the $6 chocolate.
Good. Would I pay $6?
No, I will not. It's Hershey's can be.
So, ano lagi ka?
Asa ko si Forest Gump, ane? Asa si Forest Gump? This is a park where Forest Gump was shoot the movie. Ano sa title? Forest Gump. And we'll try to eat a chocolate from Chocolatier here in Savannah. It's Savannah's
chocolate.
premier artisan chocolate. Kasi dalawa na ito eh. Kung worth it ba ang $6? 36% milk chocolate. Okay, we'll try it.
$36?
$36. Yeah.
Ikan pa ka na simba.
Gold bar mo ko daw.
I-scratch mo ang $6.
Dala, ipapicture ang chipawas ko.
Ano naman, tuloy natin kayo akong i-vlog. Kung worth it ba?
Is it worth $6?
Yeah. Kumpihin mo sa Toblerone which is $5. That's a good. Sige, tira ko na. Shipiwa Square? Muna siya?
Oh, gibig na ani mo.
Muna katong Forest Gump?
Mm.
Ang sa lami? How is it? How is it, ate? How is it?
Gold.
I would just taste first the $6 chocolate.
Good. Would I pay $6?
No, I will not. It's Hershey's can be.
So, ano lagi ka?
Asa ko si Forest Gump, ane? Asa si Forest Gump? This is a park where Forest Gump was shoot the movie. Ano sa title? Forest Gump. They will be reenacting the movie Forest Gump. Ali ka sa tumoy manang.
Like a box of chocolate. Oh, ikaw di ano hayo.
Ali ka tumoy. Oh, Forest Gump na. Smile. Love it.
Love it.
Tingnan mo ikaw, ate.
Ay, kaming duha ni man.
Ay na, smile. Love it. Ingan.
Love it.
Ingan na po, love it.
Love it.
Nagamay. Ano ba? And we are now here in the Savannah River. Ano naman ng Forest Gump? Port? Walang kuha ako, be? Walang kuha ako. One, two. Smile. Nanapugada na po kag cellphone. Awa na. Mataga ko yan na yung cellphone ni Ma. Nag-party man sila. Savannah Convention Center. Ano sa may ito? Ano, hotel? Westin siya? Wow. That's nice.
Ano? Tingnan mo yung naghawa. Yung naghawa.
Asa? Hindi mo ko na sa tiguang.
HHHW.
Mag-hold pa man siya. No?
But this area, you're going to pull in, not too far in. You're going to watch out for these pedestrians there.
You have to pull in. This is River Street Marketplace. Ano? HHHW. Ate! Ingon si Manang nga, HHHW ko namang duha ni Jerome. HHHW. Ay, nanimaho. Kabaho. I hate being sexy, but I'm a chubby, burdened man. I tried. I will give this to you, sweetheart. I tried to retire, but now I work for my wife. And we're going to see the waving girl. But before that, there's a big ship. What's it? The Liberty. Naval vessel officially commissioned early in July by a provincial congress sailed by this port. Commanded by Oliver Bowen, Joseph Herbersham, and carried 10 carriage guns and 50 men. Ship with the Liberty flag. It's not really big though. Pero kanang karga niya kay ate. Ha? Mga yate yung karga. Ate, mga yate yung karga. Oh. There's an expansion project. Oh. Kabayan! Kabayan! Kabayan lagi.
Tingin kayo nasa bridge ba? Sa bridge.
Ah,
Pumulusot ba?
atong mismo.
Sa design naman ko na. Bridge na.
Di marami to sa Mactan, dito mo sakay dito paog. Super ferry.
Amsterdam din ang ako ng boat.
Oh,
Ang
wow.
una ang tagboat oh.
Sabi ko sa inyo eh, bakit hindi naunang
Kaya bridge
stagpot?
ni Isaka na ba?
Dili oy.
Isaka, di. Ang kana ba, Isaka pa ng bridge na project nila.
Ah, para mas magko ang barko
Alam,
nga
saan
maabot.
man na nga?
Nag-expand lagi nila.
Saan man nga hinkain kuan man o?
Di, abi kag mo igo pero
Layo
dili.
pa man gud ang
Dili,
bridge.
pareho gud sa Cebu sa Mactan Bridge sa una, abi kag mo igo ang barko pero layo pa mo di kaayo, di maigo.
Oh,
Na layo ra na kaayo.
ano maging malayo?
Nice. Uno man na.
Naman na. Your turn.
And before it gets dark, we'll do the 360 here in Savannah. Oh, Jar,
Mag-lock ta. Mag-lock.
laktal. Apil mo ka? Uy,
Ha?
siya. Apil mo ka?
Oh, pilig.
1, 2. Sama si Manang. Apil Manang. 1, 2. Sama
Wa
ko.
man si Manang, wa man si Manang.
1, 2, 3.
Go.
Binuha ka dyan. Sama ka Manang. Ah, we are in Savannah.
60 na ba?
Kanina naman God, binuang mo ko na si Jerome.
Tara ko na ta. Super ma.
Okay, so they're not happy with our first 360. We'll do it again. 1, 2.
Pagaling na tao. 1, 2. Oh, na bata na baby na baby na baby.
Ay, baby. Love ate. Love. Kailan na ako, ate?
Okay.
1,
2, 3, go. Kaduha.
Tara, libot pa, libot pa. Pagkadagang libot. Paspasan, paspasan. Paspasan. Kapila na ko tubig, di ba? Wala mo at it's River Street Sweet Candy Store. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Huh? Gelato?
Tara, ani mo.
Mahal na katong gikaon. We got this before and we have not beaten it yet. It fell to the floor. Wow, it's a lot. Dara dati. Ay katong apple. Asa may gagama?
Ano ko chocolate oh.
Kasi may free taste ano.
Oh na.
We're going to get free taste. River Street Sweets.
Tara na gagama.
Asa ka libre? Kuan? Free taste? Oh, yan mo may free taste? There's no free taste. Oh, there's one. It's making one.
Let's make you one.
Are you making?
Oh, you're free.
Oh, yeah, sure. Thank you.
Thank you. You want the nuts? Oh. Thank you.
Thank you. Yan mo may money?
Not ay pecan.
How is it?
Good.
Better than the $6?
Yeah. No.
How is it, Manang? Nice oh. Ano yung marble ate? Di marble. Ang design sa apple.
Ito ay parang gabo ng caramel.
First with ano, apple.
Ahol.
It's good. Ay, malapit to. Kato siguro na. Pareha ni.
Yeah.
Oh, good eh.
Ano ba niya?